When you're ready, let's jump straight into the warm-up. So we're going to start in a standing position. Close your feet together into the 6 belly position. And we're going to start with lifting and dropping the shoulders. Are you ready? Let's go. So we're going to lift and relax. Again, lift all the way up and drop. Let's add a circle to mobilize your shoulder joints. Another one. Then bring your hands into your sides. Lift the left heel. And then the right one after another to mobilize your ankle joint. Make sure not to roll outwards. Keep your knee above your ankle and press all 5 toes equally into the ground. Let's lift both one after another. So we come all the way up and all the way down. When you stretch your legs, squeeze your heels together, squeeze your glutes. Last one. Let's continue with a knee lift. Start with the right. Good. Pull your knee to your shoulder. Open up your hip. Help yourself with your arms, but don't round your spine. Now bring your hands into your sides. Let's repeat this exercise, but now lift your knee up with the help of your muscles. So active mobility here. 4 more. 3. Keep your standing legs slightly bent. Now we're gonna open up. So have a look. We're gonna open, close, and switch. Lift, open without moving your pelvis. Maybe fix your pelvis with your hands here. 4, 3, 2, and relax. Now you open your legs into a first belly position, and we're gonna roll the shoulders back and down again. Let's go. Add the arms, make the movement a little bit bigger. Open your chest. Good. Let's add the spine. So we're gonna arch, bend your legs and round the spine. Good, mobilize your spine here. Enjoy the gentle stretch for your back muscles. Last one. And stay upright. We're gonna lift the heel again. First the left and then the right. Your knee is facing to the side. Stay upright, nice and tall. Good, last round here. And then we're gonna lift both heels, one after another. Left, right, and drop. Start with the other side. All the way up. Great, tall and beautiful as you are. Last one. Good. Now let's open the legs into the second belly position. We're gonna pulse and shift the weight onto the right leg. Let's go to the other side. So shift, try to find your balance here. Activate your core. Good. Point your right foot. Now if you want more, bring your fingertips behind your ears and add a side bend. Good, side bend to the right. Elbows nice and wide, open up that lateral flank. If you feel comfortable with this and you want to challenge your deep muscles, add a knee lift. Let's go. And knee up. Good. Strong core, draw the navel in towards the spine. Last one. Good. And relax. Shake it out. Good. Hope you feel warmed up. Let's continue with a standing full body workout. So close your feet together. We're gonna start with stepping back into the lunge with the left foot. Are you ready? Roll your shoulders back and down, hands into your side. With the music, step back, and bring it in. It's a big step, so make sure to keep your front knee above your heel. Straighten your pelvis. Good. Let's go for a little variation. So we're gonna tap forward, point the left foot like this. Amazing. Back and tap. Try to stay upright, shoulders above your hips. Good. Keep going. And back and tap. Let the breath flow. Good. 4 more. 3, 2. Hold it at the front and you're gonna go for a knee lift, up and down. Try to find your balance here. Now, make sure to keep your standing leg slightly bent to activate your leg even more. Now, if you need a progression, bring your fingertips behind your ears and let's add a crunch. Bring your elbows together as you exhale. Good work. If this is too challenging, too much, then skip the crunch and just keep going for the knee lift. Let's go. Exhale and inhale. 8 more. Strong, straight abdominal muscles. Okay, listen, let's combine the lunge step back and the knee lift crunch in 4, 3, 2, lunge step back, tap forward, knee lift crunch. Little combination here. Amazing. Let the breath flow. Close your rib arches. Don't allow them to pop out, okay? Stay contracted. 4 more rounds here. Just 3. Try to memorize this little series. Whew. Standing leg is working. 4, 3. Let's go for a squat. Here we go. Down and shift your weight onto the right leg. Now make sure to bring your weight into your heels. Knees are parallel. Don't allow them to drop inwards. They're facing towards your big toe. When you're ready, let's add some belly arms. First position in a la seconde. Keep your elbows slightly bent. Proud chest. Good work. And breathe. Amazing. Come on. Let's go for another round. 8 more. 8. 7. Make sure to lengthen your spine and to roll your shoulders back and down. Now keep your weight on the right leg and just lift the left one. Up, down, up. Turn it in so your big toe is facing down and your little toe is reaching up to the sky. So how not to do it? How to do it. Got it? If you want more, there's an option for progression again. Then add a side bend and the arms. But remember, if it's too challenging, then skip the upper body movement. Just focus on the legs. Standing leg is slightly bent. Let's go for 8 more. 7. Long neck. Shoulders low. And don't work with swinging. Good. Prepare yourself for the combination. We're going to combine the squat and the side leg lift. Ready? Let's go down. Side leg lift. This is our second combination. Remember all the cueings I gave you? Weight in your heels and long spine. Keep your core active to protect your spine and your lower back here, especially the lower back. Okay. Do you still remember the first series? Let's put everything together. Step back into the lunge. Forward and knee lift. Squat and side leg lift. Let's put everything together. Step back. Knee lift crunch. Down for squat. Side leg lift. Hope you made it. Come on, let's go. Let's try. This little coordination work will keep our bodies and brain sharp and healthy. Let's go for 4 more rounds. Knee lift crunch. Squat. Side leg lift. Woo. It's a little brain work as well. Squat it down. Good. Let's go for 2 more. Climb the left foot. Bring tension in all 5 toes here. Last round. Ooh, find your balance. Deep muscle activation. Good. Now march it out. Give your standing leg a little shake. Ooh. Good work. First side done. Let's go for a second round for the second leg. So close your feet together. We step back with the right foot in 4, 3, 2. Let's go. Step back and close. Take a moment to think about the perfect posture. Shoulders back and down. Open your chest. And it's a big step to the back to reduce the stress here in your front knee. When you're ready, go for the progression. Tap forward. Up. Good. Point the right foot. And breathe. Don't move into the hollow back. Don't hinge forward. Stay upright for 8 more. 7. Good. Come on. Keep going. Warm up the body. 3. 2. Now hold it at the front. Let's go for the knee lift. Up and down. Up and down. Keep your standing leg slightly bent. This will give you more activation and stability in your standing leg. See if you want more. Fingertips behind your ears and crunch. Exhale and inhale. Bring your elbows together under your face. And really exhale as you round your spine and as you activate your straight abdominal muscles. Good, 8 more. 8. 7. Knee up as high as you can. Good. Nice full body workout. Are you ready for the combination? 4, in 3, in 2, lunge step back. Here we go. Knee lift crunch. Lunge step back. Good. Whew. If things are too shaky, make sure to find a shoulder width stance as you step back to get more stability. And of course, think about activating your core, right? Good. 2 more rounds here. Last one. Let's continue with the squat to the side. Shift your weight onto the left leg as you come up. Catch your breath. Breathe in through the nose, out through the mouth. Good work. Come, sit down on that imaginary chair. You can do this when you're ready. Add your belly, arms feel like a ballerina. Good. Relax and soften your shoulders. And synchronize the movement with the breath. Exhale, inhale. Let's go for 8 more. Good, the last 4. 3. Woo! Let's continue with the side leg lift. Here we go. First, just the legs. Good. Both kneecaps are facing forward, so don't twist in your standing leg. Don't rotate your pelvis. Stay parallel, stay controlled. When you got the lower body movement and you need a challenge for your upper body, then let's add the side bend. Good. When you go for the side bend, make sure to pull your left shoulder back and down. So how not to do it? Stay here with a nice and wide chest. Try to keep your weight on your left leg. Good. Let's put the squat and the side leg lift together. Squat it down. Let's go. Side leg lift. Ooh. Good. See if you can deepen the position. Come on. Let's get the most out of these exercises. Good, amazing. Let's go for the last round before we combine everything together. From the beginning, step back. Knee lift crunch. Squat, side leg lift. Good, that's the combination. Join me when you're ready. Give it a try. Come on. Lunge step back. Knee lift crunch. Exhale. Squat it down. Good. Squat, come on. Halftime is over. Let's go for 4 more rounds. Squat. Side leg lift. Here are your last 2 rounds. Come on, deepen the position. Last one. Squat. And give your legs a little shake. Amazing. Thanks for watching. If you like this workout, then let's take it to the next level together. Join our online studio and be part of our weekly live streams via Zoom. Get a real-time feedback on your exercises and connect with a community of amazing women. So let's create a workout routine that keeps you committed and motivated. Or continue with this free YouTube workout over here. See you there.